Imagine yourself being able to visualize your patient's hard and soft tissues in a 3D format. Yes, that's what we call the digital patient. You combine your patient's facial scan, intraoral scan, and even a CBCT file. And with that, you better analyze your patient's current conditions and better explain your patient why they need to go to the procedure you are proposing to them. So let me show you how you can also create your digital patient. To create a digital patient, make sure that you have all of your patient's files into a Dropbox, iCloud, or Google Drive. Let's start by going to the menu. It's on the top left corner and tap on New Patient. Let's now tap on Patient Digitalization to upload all my patient's files. I already have all of my patient's files inserted into a Dropbox account. So for me to upload these files, I will tap on the plus sign and tap on Dropbox. I will also add my patient's intraoral scan. STL upper and STL lower. I also want to upload my CBCT model. Just make sure that once you add a CBCT model to create a 3D version of your patient, make sure that you upload an STL file instead of a DICOM file. You will be able to export this CBCT file as an STL from your CBCT machine. So as you can see here, the CBCT file, I only see the bone. I don't see the soft tissues. So it's a CBCT file as an STL. You can also add your patient's facial scan, which is already included in your Smilefy account. And I will show you how to scan your patient's face at the end of this video. So now let's tap on Calibrate. To calibrate your files is very simple. First step, add a dot at the incisal edge of a patient's lateral, central, and lateral. Make sure that it goes from right to left, red, orange, and green. And now let's do the same thing on the photo. Red, orange, green. Now tap on Set Points, swipe up, and now finalize your calibration by using these commands at the bottom of your screen. Now, swipe right, slide right to facial scan. And the process is the same. On the STL, you zoom out. And on your patient's facial scan, you will add a dot on a patient's lateral, central, and lateral. And then you will set points. Zoom out. And now you have your patient's facial scan and intraoral scan. Now you can go to CBCT. You zoom out on your STL. And do the same procedure. You will tap on lateral, central, and lateral. And you would tap on set points. Now, just go all the way to the digital patient. And here you have it. Your patient's hard and soft tissues combined. Looking at the bottom of your screen, you have the opacity of each file. Facial scan, CBCT, maxilla, and mandibula. It helps you identify some issues. It helps you better treatment plan your patient. It helps you better visualize your patient's current conditions and better explain your patient why they need to go through some certain process that you are proposing. You tap next and save the case. To visualize your digital patient, just tap on digital patient. Here's the 2D design. So now if you want to design over all these files, you can. And here you have your digital patient. To do the facial scan, open Bellus 3D in the patient documentation and make sure that the patient is looking straight and with a big, wide smile. The Bellus 3D will give you the directions. Just turn the face to the left, to the middle, and to the right. So creating a digital patient will not only give you a better experience when it comes to diagnosing your patient, but it will also give your patient a spectacular experience in your office.